The Magical Drummer of Kingston. Once upon a time, in the vibrant city of Kingston, there lived a young boy named Jahari. Jahari was known throughout the city for his love of music, especially reggae, which he learned from his grandfather. One day, while Jahari was playing his drum near the beach, he found a magical conch shell. As he picked it up, a mystical maroon spirit appeared. The spirit told Jahari that he had been trapped in the shell for centuries and was finally freed by the rhythm of Jahari's drumming. In gratitude, the spirit offered to grant Jahari a wish. Jahari, being a humble boy, wished for the ability to bring happiness to his people through his music. The spirit granted his wish and added, "Whenever you play your drum with all your heart, your people will feel joy and forget their worries." Jahari was overjoyed. He ran back to his city and started to play his drum with all his heart. As he played, a magical thing happened. The people who were listening began to smile, then laugh, and then they too started to dance. The entire city was filled with music, laughter, and dance. From that day forward, Jahari played his drum every day. His music brought joy and unity to the people of Kingston. And so, the story of Jahari, the magical drummer, became a beloved folktale in Jamaica, reminding everyone of the power of music and the joy it can bring to people's lives. And that's the end of the story. Good night, sleep tight.